Hey, that's cold as fuck, yeah.
I Miss Country, DCG.
Miss Country. They got now, what's your name, Miss Lady?
Me.
Mimi, man.
Gotta
get on, man. Gotta get over here, man. Goddamn, man. Y'all introduce yourself to the camera, bro. IIT camera, man.
Hey, it's 3K, nigga. This is boy Caesar.
Caesar, man.
Caesar, what happened, man? You know, Rick off in this bit, man.
Come on, bring the camera money out there.
3K, was good, was good. Was good, man. That IIT shit, man. That IIT shit.
Man, y'all,
Since you want to be in the camera so much.
Yo, this job already.
What happened?
Oh, no.
Get in that bitch, shouting 3K missing this shit going down tonight. Bitches, I want to see y'all fucking face in the club,
Who y'all
bitch.
trying to beat up? Who y'all talking about?
You see
Preppy! Who Preppy? Bitch ass.
What? Is it a letter in front of her or something?
I didn't say no name. You see Timmy say name.
3K, y'all fit this bitch. I'm telling you, $200. I chopped that bitch head off. But
The camera would have to be there to see it.
Hey, look.
That shit gonna be.
Hey, look. We got condoms.
You already slow, man. That boy Icy, man. Superstar status, man. I'm a star. I be chilling with the planet, man.
Yeah.
You better believe this shit, man. Hey, we ain't even be like this here. Hey, we gonna crack it up.
Come on.
Hey, let my partner get it,
It don't
man.
matter, man. Hey, we get it started out here, man. I'm straight from New Jersey, man. I'm out here in Georgia. I ain't on no hard shit, but I've been through some grimy shit in my life. I'm just a real nigga trying to make it just like everybody else. You feel me? Look, hey yo, I'm local with the hammer, little homie. I got heat, so fuck fighting. I'd rather be a master with the peace to hear the laughter when you speak. You get no respect, so like a bow tie, I wrap my fucking hands around your neck. While you stuntin' talking about that false set that you rep, I'm in the hood with my niggas screaming text on deck. Y'all niggas is sick of me, don't know how to get rid of me. There's no end in my reign, so your best bet is just quitting, B. See, my mental exceeds the Martians, so even if you had a spaceship, little homie, you still couldn't get to me. Look, homie, it's plain to see that a hustler is what I be. I ain't stopping till the day that the papers start chasing me. Hey, and that's my nigga Jersey. Drove by bitch, nigga, how I spit this shit, nigga. Southside representing, nigga. Salt up in your mouth, make you spit them shells out, fuck, nigga. Nigga think this shit a game, nigga. It drove by, nigga. Fuck with my partner, nigga. You're down to lose your life, fuck, nigga. It's no way out, nigga. One way in, but no way out. You a hoe ass nigga, but let me show you, nigga. Bring up about, nigga. Bring the tool out the couch, fuck, nigga. Southside and Boston, nigga. Union City, GA, nigga. And 5250 is where I'm found, nigga. That's where I'm bound. You fuck around with 2414, you gonna leave out with a hot slug, nigga.
I'm messing with nothing but real goons. Your dad coming real soon. And if a nigga talking, then we headed to the bedroom. Not talking about sex, and I'm talking about the pistol. And if a nigga bucking, my bullets fly like whistles. You don't wanna see me, nigga, I might told a missile. Stay back, nigga, for your ass in your gristle. And I'ma leave you laying face down. I'ma let my nigga DJ get the camera so he can clown.
Hey, look, Mr. Westside, I'm sharper than a pencil. Fuck with me.
Hey, I'ma keep it simple. We pop you like a pimple. Y'all talking all that shit, and we gon' show you how we get down. You know we known to straight clown. My niggas don't play around. We known to come and spray around and make your clip lay down. It's INT and 3K. You know we be super deep. Talking all that shit, I guarantee your whole clip be the seat. Hey, we out here, nigga, to sleep with niggas.
Hold on. Look, I don't need the box.
Let's go murder. Let's go murder. Hold on. Go ahead. I'm listening right now.
Hold on, let me eat real quick. Hey yo, Murder, you got it right after me, I promise, man. I mean, yo, I don't need the box lefty. I keep goons with me, and my niggas good fellas, like De Niro and Joe Pesci. And we hold stacks, so more dough than casinos. Fuck with my paper, catch a Scarface like Pacino. I stay strapped, yes. Them hammers, we let them off. And your whole squad could die like the bitches who set it off. And just as quick as you smoke your Dutch, I could reverse your creation. Turn your bitch ass back in the dust. Listen, son, they just some rookies, and they really should push me. But your ass would get popped like a cherry in a pussy. Monster with the spitting, heavy with the rhymes. Spit the shit that they call crack, pouring straight up out my mind. Paint pictures with my lyrics, every word and every line so clear, homie. You could even see him if you blind. Hayes be the best doing this is the best already died. I'm an artist, not a rapper. My goal is to capture mine. I get open with them.
Get your grind in, T. Get in the shit on that.
in here. Hey. We in there, 5 Rider. 5 Rider. I love